This is a reminder. This is a reminder to water your plants. Water your plants.
Thank you for the reminder. Hey Alexa, what's the weather outside?
The weather in New York City is 67 degrees Fahrenheit with slight chances of rain.
Hey Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, when was Biden declared the president-elect of the United States?
Biden was projected president-elect of the United States by the press on Saturday, November 6th.
Hey Alexa, set a reminder for 10 to wake me up.
AM or PM?
AM.
Reminder for 10 a.m. for tomorrow set.
Hey Alexa, tell me a joke of the day.
What's big but cannot be heavy?
A heart.
A balloon!
Hey Alexa, I'm running out of things to ask you.
I'm sorry, I don't know about that.
Hey Alexa, play a song by The Killers.
Sung by the Killers on Spotify. Okay.